Okay, again, another typical question on area under curve. Okay, they give you a hint. Always find the coordinates first. So they ask you to find coordinates of P. Other than points of P, I also want you to find my intercepts, X and Y intercept. So for any area under curve, okay, I emphasize again, always look at points of intersection first before you find the area. At this stage, when you have your first equation, my hint is get rid of the square root by squaring both sides. So yes, I have x equals to 4, x equals to 1 bits. Okay, and I notice that P is in this position. It can only be the answer 1. Okay, so I have to reject 4. I work with x equals to 1. Okay, when you have x equals to 1, what is your value of y? Do you get 1? Okay, so we are done with getting coordinates of P, 1, 1. Okay, now we can focus on the area. When I have P, once I have coordinates of P, I must make it useful. Go back to the diagram and I shall label my 1, 1. I'm going to propose 3 methods, okay, but the 3 methods will definitely involve this area under curve. Can you find this area under curve first? How will you write it in a definite integral? Right, in my green region is the green color workings there, and I notice that my blue and green adds up to a trapezium. Do you know what's the area of trapezium? Yeah. Yes? Half times my A plus B, right? Yeah. A plus B. This is my B. Yeah. Times my height. My height is? My height is 1. So my area of trapezium minus away my green color area. So this will be method 1. I will show you another method. So Wei Jun proposed we use the big triangle. So Wei Jun proposed if we start off with the big triangle over here. Okay. Then my big triangle would be half times base times height. Okay. Then what I'll do is I have to minus off that one area. Okay. So minus off this smaller triangle. Okay. This smaller triangle is half times my base is 1. Okay. My height is 1. Then I have to also minus off my area under curve, which is what I have shown in the first method. Okay, minus of this. This method will also still give you the answer. Okay. Third method is I see that this area is bounded by the y-axis. Okay. And can I propose we split into 2 regions? One is a triangle. The other one is area under curve. Is the area between the curve, the y-axis, bounded by this 1. Okay. What is my area of triangle? Half times my base times height. Okay. I will add my area under curve. Okay, so I have to integrate with respect to y. Okay, but what is going to be my function? You see, I need to write in terms of y. So I take a look at this curve. Please rewrite it in terms of y. Okay, meaning I have to integrate my y squared from 0 to 1. So with this method, you are able to find an answer. Okay, so choose any method that you want, and you can get the same answer for all 3 methods. Okay, so for all 3 answers, I get the same 5/6 units squared.